If you want to download and install different applications in your PC, for instance, you're looking for PDF Reader or Google Chrome browser, iTunes, Zoom, Microsoft Office, Google Drive, OneDrive, or any other applications. For that, you need to search for each of applications, which is time consuming, right? Today I'm gonna show you an easy way to pick any of those applications in one click and install them easily. Let's see together how it works. Let's open a browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome, and again I'm going to type google.com. Here I'm searching for the website. It's called nit.com or ninita.com. Just enter. You will see on the first page of Google, that's the website you're looking for. As you see, we are on the website, and it's very well categorized. You see section by section, and the web browser, for example, these are the applications which belongs to web browser. These are the applications which belongs to messaging, and like that, it's in different categories. You can pick any of these softwares by just check, and then when you scroll down in the second step, this link will be activated. So for this tutorial, I'm going to pick some small applications. For instance, I'm going to install from utility CC Cleaner, and then I'm going to download also OpenShell, and from this imaging section, I'll pick Airframe View. From compression section, I'll pick WinRAR. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 software. So when you scroll down, just click on Get Your Ninita. It's gonna download a link. You need to just click right after once you download that link and just run it. Let me minimize my... Just click, it's going to download and install it right after every application. As you see, it's installing WinRAR now. Once it's finished, yeah, it's finished. Then it's picking up the second one. It's pretty fast. It depends on your computer configuration and internet connection. So once it's all done, it's gonna be finished, and it will give OK for each and every application that you choose. It's pretty simple. I think in one click you'll just download and install each software that you want. So let's see once it's finished. You see that CC Cleaner is there. It says it's finished, and you see that Airframe View OK, WinRAR OK. So it will give you that a confirmation for each software that you downloaded and installed it. So it seems that everything's downloaded well. I can open one software, for instance, Airframe View, and yeah, it's working. It's pretty simple. Please let me know if you have any question in the comment below. Thank you so much.